son. Good morning, everybody. What is going on? Welcome to day 3 of our Sturgis adventure right here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. We're getting the day started with some coffee, and it's our big day because we get to move from this cabin to that cabin right there. So we're just kind of waiting to see how long it's going to take to get moved in, or if we can, or if we have to like pack everything on and go do something for a while. But we'll let you know.
I'd like to take a moment to quickly thank our sponsors for this trip: Custom Dynamics, Sounds Custom, Sena Bluetooth, Rogue Rider Industries, Rick Rack, and Rever. Check them out in the description below.
Ouch! Ouch! Hot coffee. Just spilled hot coffee all over myself, but we just got word that our cabin will be ready in 15-20 minutes, so that is good. And we just got to get things packed up a little bit and carry it over there, so that would be very nice, and then we could get on with our day out here. Man, that tastes good, but it's hot. Yeah. Alright, let me explain to you what's going on. So, we had this cabin reserved first. So the plan was to go a different route and spend 2 days on the road, and then I decided I just wanted to get out here, so I checked to see if they had another cabin available, which they did. So there's nothing wrong with this cabin, we've just only got it reserved till today, so we got to go to the one that's reserved for the rest of the week. Now let's go get this thing sweeped up. We want to leave things nicer than we found them. There we go. Alright, just a few more things to bring over there, and then we'll kind of get the day going here. So we're just moving our bikes over to the new cabin. Don't mind my dirty socks and towel behind me there. That's my new backdrop. It's my jam. It is my jam. So, there we go. So it's it worked out really well actually, because it's only like 9:30 in the morning. We got everything moved over to the new cabin. Obviously got the cabin swept out and ready to go. So now we just have to come up with a game plan for the day, because we weren't sure when we were going to be able to move. So really quite pleased how things worked out for the day. Ed's getting his bike ready. I'm working on YouTube right now.
YouTube, right on. Is there anything else I can get you?
Right now I think we're good.
I'll come bug you in a bit. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Fries are good.
Yeah? I didn't get any fries. This is the classic buffalo burger. Got me some coleslaw over here. Ed got what, the Western? Western on the old. Got buffalo meat going on over there too. Perfect. You gotta get the bite. And hopefully my camera doesn't fall in my pocket.
Yeah, that'd be bad. Hard to get it.
Thank you. Not a ton going on down in Custer so far today, but the bikes have started to roll in since we got here. It's starting to get busy. I've never visited this cabin before, all the times I've been here. Dr. Flick Cabin. Yeah, that's kind of cool. We have made our way to Hill City, South Dakota today. We're just chilling. We're just taking it easy today, you know? Like, that's what you got to do out here. So, show you around Hill City a little bit. If there's anything exciting, I'll make sure to bring it to your attention. Hill City is hopping today. It's busy up in here in Hill City, South Dakota. Got bikes all over the place. We had to park way down at the other end. Yeah, good stuff. So exciting listening to those bikes rumble through. I love that. I'm not even going to tell you where we are. I'm just going to make you figure it out. Should be able to, I think, maybe. There you go. Secret, it's Mount Rushmore. So after Mount Rushmore, we rode down through Keystone and back around to Custer. Met up with my uncle, went and had some supper in town, and that's really about it. We came back to camp. I got my computer stuff set up so I could empty out some SD cards so I could keep filming, keep bringing y'all more stuff, and that's pretty much it. Sat around the fire and hung out for a little bit. So we're winding down here for the night and getting ready for something new tomorrow. So we'll see you back here in the next video. Stay safe out there as always, and definitely subscribe, ring that bell. It won't cost you a thing, but it'll keep you up to date and notified when I upload the next video or go live. You definitely don't want to miss that. So, thanks.